My name is John. We are installing the Navian WEC 600 tankless water treatment system today. This system totally eliminates all the TDS in the water, which is total dissolved solids. Eliminates the chlorine. Yeah, all the contaminants in the water will be pretty much gone after this is up and running. System needs maintenance once every 6 months. The pre and post filters need to be replaced, and then there's a citric acid fluid that needs to be added.
So it's very important to have reverse osmosis in your house because it eliminates 100% of all bacteria and contaminants in your water. And with this one specifically, it actually remineralizes your water.
Right now, Galen's on the outside, gonna plumb in the copper, and then we will route the copper to these pre and post sediment filters. The benefits of actually having one of these installed is it protects everything in the house. It'll make your appliances last longer. Your filters inside of the house for your refrigerator will last longer. You won't have to change them as much. The hard water buildup that gets on your fixtures will be gone, so you don't have to buy fixtures once every 10 years or 5 years, depending on how bad the water quality is. The immediate effects of this installed is quality drinking water out of every fixture. Even at your bathroom sink, you could drink out of it.